Let's take a look at the XDP X220 series main stud kits. These are designed as both an upgrade and replacement for your factory main stud bearing cap bolts. If you're rebuilding your engine or preparing for increased power, upgrading to one of these main stud kits will ensure you get sufficient clamping force to keep your bottom end together. Let's open up the box and take a look. Inside, you'll find a set of main studs specifically made for your application from an ultra-durable chromoly steel with an added proprietary element. Each set of studs is neatly packaged and sealed to keep everything protected during shipping. The X220 series studs are rated for 220,000 PSI Tensile Strength, and the threads are rolled after heat treating for optimum strength. You can find these main stud kits for a wide range of GM Duramax, Ford Powerstroke, and Dodge Ram diesel applications. If you're rebuilding or upgrading the engine in your truck, the XDP stud kit gives you a direct replacement upgrade for your factory main bolts. Get the strength and reliability you need with an XDP X220 series main stud kit.